We'll guide you through how to make blur transition After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because blur transitions are commonly used to create smooth and professional scene changes in videos. In Adobe After Effects, users want to learn how to combine Gaussian blur with opacity keyframes to make clips fade seamlessly. It is popular for cinematic edits, vlogs, and social media content. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place the clips on the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, select the first clip in the timeline by clicking it. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Gaussian Blur. When it appears, apply it to the first clip. After applying the effect, enable keyframes for the blurriness property so the effect can animate over time. Set the blur value to 0 at the start of the transition so the image is clear. Next, move the playhead forward on the timeline to the point where the transition should develop. Increase the blur value gradually so the first clip becomes more blurred as time passes. At the same time, lower the opacity of the first clip to create a fading effect. Then fade in the second clip by increasing its opacity so it becomes more visible during the transition. This combination makes the blur transition smoother between both clips. After setting the keyframes, preview the transition by playing the timeline from the beginning. Watch carefully to ensure the blur increases smoothly while the second clip fades in naturally. Adjust keyframes if the transition feels too fast or too slow. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue for exporting. Check the output settings if needed, then click Render to begin exporting the final video. Your blur transition is complete.